gentlemen, welcome to St Lucia. The local time here is just coming up to 20 past 12 in the afternoon. Whilst we taxi to the terminal gate, please keep your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns to fasten the seatbelt signs off. We also need to remain seated and keep the aisles and exits clear, so we will turn any items we have stowed for you as soon as we arrive. Please keep your mobile phone in the flight mode until after arrival, and remember that most airports don't allow you to use mobile phones or cameras in the customs and immigration hall. Before you leave us, remember to check around your seat and in the seat pocket to make sure that you have got everything with you, especially mobile phones and other personal items. When you are opening the overhead lockers, please be careful of items often move during the flight and could fall out and cause injury. We do recycle our headsets, and if you leave them on the seat for us, and if you're making a donation to the Change for Children appeal, we will collect it at the store if you say goodbye. If you requested assistance, please stay in your seat until most other customers have left the aircraft, then we'll be able to help you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, there will be a crew change here in St Lucia, so if you are continuing on to Grenada, it has been our pleasure to serve you on this section of your trip, and we hope you have enjoyed your time on board with us today. Wherever you're going, have a safe journey. We look forward to welcoming you back on board again soon. If you need any information to help you plan your next flight, take a look at our website, virginatlantic.com, and we'll now pass you on to the care of our airport staff. Goodbye and good afternoon to you. We'd also like to wish a very happy birthday to Finch Satin 6D, who turns 14 today, and also to his dad Eamon, who turns 50 tomorrow, and he's Satin 7D. A very happy birthday to you both from all the crew on board and the other passengers. Thank you. Well, ladies and gentlemen, just a quick reminder, if you are carrying on to Grenada, then we ask you remain seated and do not leave the aircraft here in St Lucia, as we need you to stay on board so as not to delay your onward passage. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to St Lucia. Just arriving on stand now. Outside the air temperature is indicating 30 degrees. Please remain in your seats with your seat belts fastened until we switch the seat belt signs off. In the meantime, cabin crew, thanks very much for all your hard work. Doors disarm and cross check, please. Thank you.